In less than 6 months, the market should comfortably be trading at 30,000 levels. If this pattern is indeed going to hold true, following these steps will increase your duration in the market as a short-term trader for so long. जो सेटअप मैंने आपको दिया है उसमें हार्मोनिक्स पे हम इवेंचुअली ट्रेड नहीं कर पाएंगे, बिकॉज जब भी हम एक सिक्योरिटी का प्राइस देखेंगे हम बीच के प्राइस एक्शन को इग्नोर करके सिर्फ और सिर्फ उसके एक्सट्रीम पॉइंट्स पर ही फोकस करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Then the market consolidates for a period of 14 months. It forms a saucer and then subsequently goes on to form a handle. This hammer is an indicative of the potential bottom of the particular stock. If we plan our trades and lose, because essentially we are going to learn a lot more.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, अभी तक के वीडियोस में वी हैव लर्नड हाउ टू असेस द ट्रेंड एंड द इंडिकेटर वी यूज्ड वाज ADX DMI. वी आल्सो लर्न दैट वी आर गोइंग टू प्लेस दिस फर्स्ट इन आवर ओवरऑल चेकलिस्ट. नेक्स्ट वी लर्न हाउ टू असेस मोमेंटम और इसके लिए हमने इंडिकेटर यूज किया RSI एंड वी लर्न कि हम इसे सेकंड डालेंगे अपने चेकलिस्ट में. थर्ड वी लर्न हाउ टू असेस फॉर वॉलेटिलिटी, जिससे हमारा बाइंग स्टॉप लॉस एंड एग्जिट स्टॉप लॉस हम आइडेंटिफाई कर पाएंगे, विच वाज यूजिंग ATR एंड वॉलेटिलिटी को हमने डाला एज अ थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ आवर चेकलिस्ट. In 3 parameters, we learned how to qualify and eventually to prepare for the trade. But before placing the final order, we are now into the element जहाँ पे discretion use करना start करते हैं. For example, ADX, RSI and ATR are mechanical indicators. इसमें discretion का कोई scope नहीं. But minute it comes to interpretation of volume, that is using OBV, and now assessing price using price action technique, we are officially in the realms of subjective trading. दोस्तों, my objective of setting hard rules in the first 3 elements was कि regardless of your subjectivity, a lot of your trading is governed by mechanical parameters. So that कल को आप अगर success realize करते हैं, you will say कि because you followed a set of mechanical rules, you succeeded. अगर आप failure realize करते हैं तो you will say despite following these mechanical rules I could not succeed, implying that I either need better mechanical rules or that I need to subject my trading style to greater subjectivity using volume and price action. Regardless, I'm very confident that following these steps will increase your duration in the market as a short-term trader for so long that you are inevitably going to learn and form new experiences. In today's video, we will proceed now with the 5th aspect of our checklist, that is to use price action in order to form a final opinion on a particular security. दोस्तों, प्राइस एक्शन क्या है? प्राइस एक्शन इज एसेंशियली द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ प्राइस ऑन अ चार्ट, और उसको करने के बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. ट्रेडिंग बियॉन्ड अ सर्टेन स्टेज अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इज मोर आर्ट एंड लेस साइंस. व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस? अगर साइंटिस्ट ये बोलते हैं कि पानी 100 डिग्री पे उबलता है तो उसका मतलब है वो उबलता है, बट उसके पीछे कुछ कंडीशंस हैं. कंडीशंस लाइक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वो पानी शुड बी प्योर वाटर. Secondly, the heat source must be consistent at 100 degrees. Thirdly, the atmospheric pressure must be at 1 kilopascal or whatever is the standard unit based on which this experiment was conducted. But market mein, we cannot control the external variables. So where science works with a precision of 99% accuracy, market, since we cannot control the external variables, has a far lower precision. And once we are in a domain of far lower precision, we are officially in the domain of art. And all art follows some process. Part of it is mechanical, part of it is subjective. And price action is the very epitome of subjectivity in the art process of trading. So price, like I said, is formed by a combination of candles. And the best literature to refer to, not read, but refer to would be the Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns by Thomas Bulkowski. Essentially, reading that book created a database of potential chart patterns, which I saw very often in the market, including the standard patterns such as W, cup and handle, M patterns, so on and so forth, and even harmonics. In today's video, I would like to focus on a few standard patterns and candlestick patterns. Since जो setup मैंने आपको दिया है उसमें harmonics पे हम eventually trade नहीं कर पाएंगे, because when a stock creates a new low, we simply don't trade it. So आइए दोस्तों, let's move towards the chart, and the chart that I have in front of us is that of Nifty. Whenever we are looking at the price of a chart, the time frame that I have set is monthly. जब भी हम एक security का price देखेंगे, हम बीच के price action को ignore करके सिर्फ और सिर्फ उसके extreme points पर ही focus करने की कोशिश करेंगे. So for example, अगर हम Nifty के high point और लो पॉइंट को कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश करेंगे, वी विल सी दैट इट लुक्स लाइक समथिंग व्हिच इज नोन एज अ सॉसर. इसे जब हम गूगल करेंगे देन वील सी दैट सॉसर इज जनरली अ कंटिन्यूएशन पैटर्न, और कंटिन्यूएशन किसका? कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ द प्रीसीडिंग प्राइस मूव जो कि अप है. लाइक आई टोल्ड इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो, ऑल पैटर्न्स आर जनरली कैटेगराइज्ड इनटू टू डिस्टिंक्ट ग्रुप. One is continuation, the other is reversal. Majority cases, it will be safe to assume that patterns are continuation patterns. There are reversal patterns also, like wedge patterns, but they are fewer and far in between, and usually trading them is much tougher. यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे that the previous price action is indeed up. Then the market consolidates for a period of 14 months. It forms a saucer and then subsequently goes on to form a handle. And as of today, while we are recording this video, it looks like it is breaking out of the cup and handle. Once we have identified that a particular security is indeed in a pattern, all we have to do is high and the low of that pattern. For example, यहाँ पे हमें high दिखेगा. The high of the pattern is nearly at 26,000, while the low of the pattern is nearly at 22,000. The distance between these two is 4,000 points, which means that जब भी ये pattern decisively टूटेगा, which looks like it is breaking as we speak, there is a 4,000 point target on Nifty on almost an immediate basis. But what does immediate mean? Usually a security will take half the time to reach the target as it took to form the pattern. Since यहाँ पे 12 महीने का pattern है, if this pattern is indeed going to hold true, because the month of November is ongoing at the time of recording this particular video. So give or take 4 to 6 months, it looks like it is very safe bet to make that Nifty will take out a target of 30,000. The question is that is pattern का stop loss कहाँ है? As per theory, the pattern stop loss will be at the handle. So like I mentioned, अगर मैं इन लाइंस को हटा देता हूँ and we only focus on the pattern, there are specific rules to trade a pattern. However, we have also governed our own rules of stop loss, which is signal candle minus ATR. My rules of exit are given higher priority by me than the rules that are given by textbooks in terms of candlesticks or patterns or chart patterns. मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है क्योंकि मैंने ATR बेस्ड इंडिकेटर को तीसरे नंबर पे डाल रखा है, प्राइस एक्शन को 5वें नंबर पे, इट इज लॉजिकल जो ATR वॉलेटिलिटी इंडिकेटर से जो एंट्री और एग्जिट लेवल्स आएंगे उन्हें मैं हायर प्रायोरिटी दूंगा एज कंपेयर टू जो मुझे चार्ट पैटर्न्स के ब्रेकआउट्स आएंगे. इन अदर वर्ड्स, आई एम अनलाइकली टू बाय द प्राइस एग्जैक्टली. हालांकि ब्रेकआउट अभी हुआ है या दिख रहा है हमें, I also know कि this is going to be overbought, and because RSI is ranked number 2, there is no question of being buying here. The only time I could have potentially considered is during the pullback, जो कि कुछ महीने पहले हुआ था. वहां पे it is possible that I would have attempted to take a long position. दोस्तों, markets are filled with infinite such combinations. Let's just have a look at a few more. Nifty 50 जहां पे 50 stocks को represent करता है. Nifty small cap is basically जहां where bulk of us retail investors have put our money. Because the Nifty small cap index represents 250 of the most traded stocks in the country. And these stocks have very high beta, यानी कि काफी ज्यादा वॉलेटिलिटी है. तो ये स्टॉक्स मार्केट के रिलेटिव परसेंटेज काफी चेंज कर सकते हैं. कई बार हम न्यूज में सुनते हैं मार्केट करेक्टेड बाय 5%, 10%. सो आउटसाइड ऑफ द मार्केट लोगों को लगता है 5-10% इज ओके अगर मार्केट करेक्ट करता है. बट जो ट्रेडर्स मार्केट के अंदर है उन्हें पता है कि 5-10% इंडेक्स का करेक्ट होने का मतलब हो गया 30-40% एट स्टॉक लेवल, बिकॉज स्टॉक्स आर टिपिकली 3 times the beta or 2.5 times the beta of any index. So here I have just set up the Nifty small cap simply because it's one of the largest indexes. And whenever I want to assess for patterns, the only thing I'm going to do is connect the pivotal highs and see if there is any kind of combination that can be formed. अगर हम इसे closely monitor करेंगे, we will see that the first shoulder is formed, then a deep head is formed, and currently the Nifty small cap index is looking like it is forming another shoulder pattern. In order to confirm this pattern, a close above the blue line, जिसका value around 17,900 या 18,000 के करीब है, a close above this blue line will confirm the formation of an head and shoulders pattern. As of now, this is a pattern in the making. ये गलती अक्सर traders कर जाते हैं. They end up taking up positions in a pattern in the making. Trading patterns is tough, but to trade unconfirmed patterns is even tougher, and you are subject to a lot of volatility. In general, it is expected that the stock will get resisted at the neckline, but sometimes they break out. And this one, if it breaks out, since the high is at approximately 18,600, the low is approximately at 13,300, let's just say 13,600, there is a 5,000 point move that it needs to cover, which means from the breakout of 18,000, it is very reasonable to expect a 23,000 point rally on the small cap subject to a breakout. And as we speak, it is not yet even close. But as pattern traders, as individuals who are looking towards this trade, they are already monitoring this trade very closely. As we speak, we are in November. November में ये 16,775 के करीब का है. इस सिक्योरिटी को 1,000-1,500 पॉइंट और का मूव देना, which is very much in the capability of the security to give in 1 month's time. At the time when the price action is at 18,200, there is no ambiguity that this handle low of 16,400 will become a positional deep pattern based stop loss. In other words, the trade जो इसमें बन रहा है वो ये है to go long at approximately 18,000 with a stop loss of approximately 16,500, यानी कि 1,500 पॉइंट का SL हो गया और 23,000 पॉइंट का टारगेट हो गया, यानी कि 5,000 पॉइंट का टारगेट हो गया. एंड द नेचर ऑफ द पैटर्न वुड बी इन्वर्टेड हेड एंड शोल्डर्स. सो जहां हमने अभी तक निफ्टी में देखा कि निफ्टी लुक्स लाइक इट इज गिविंग अ ब्रेकआउट ऑफ द कप एंड हैंडल. इट लुक्स लाइक द स्मॉल कैप इज इन एन इन्वर्टेड head and shoulder pattern, but far away from giving a breakout of an head and shoulder pattern. Let's look at something in between. Let's see the Nifty Pharma Index on the monthly time frame. Once again, I'll repeat the process. Simply take the highest point and connect the subsequent highest points of this. And यहाँ पे मैं देखूंगा कि on the first end we have the shoulder, here we have the head, finally we have the shoulder, completing an inverted head and shoulder, and the closing today is actually above the neckline of this particular candle. In other words, the pattern that we are looking forward to in the Nifty Small Cap Index is likely already happening in the Nifty Pharma Index. When we complete our assessment, subjective assessment of price action across all broader indexes and sectoral indexes, usually it gives us a huge heads up of what we want to do in the market. यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे कि the highest point of this particular candle is at approximately 24,000. The lowest point of this candle is at approximately 19,000. Once again, giving it a 5,000 point target, 24, and the breakout is at the current level of approximately 22,800 or 23,000. So it is safe to say that I would go long on the Nifty Pharma Index. If I were a pattern trader exclusively, I would go long at the Nifty Pharma Index at 23,000. Obviously, with a stop loss below the handle low, the shoulder low of 21,000. In other words, long at 23,000, stop loss 21,000, and of course, target of 28,000. यानी कि approximately 1,800 to 2,000 points का stop loss and 5,000 points का target, giving me a 2:1 risk reward. The reason for taking these patterns on the monthly time frame with you all was to set you up in the direction of the structure that the market might actually go. जब भी एक market bullish trend में होता है तो एक pattern form होने का मतलब हो गया कि the consolidation is likely to take forward or move forward in the direction of the trend. The duration that it takes for consolidation, जैसे यहाँ पे 14 महीने का duration है, it is expected that in less than 7 months, this particular security should hit the target. The fact that Nifty Pharma are in a position to give at least 20 to 25% move in less than 6 to 7 months means that as traders, we have to get ready for a bullish environment after a 14-month period of consolidation. This is a planning that happens even before the market is actually moving in any other place. And with this planning, we'll be able to allocate the money, the plan on a bet size, and after having gone through all the data जो हमने initial videos में सीखा था, we will have a clear process and a clear plan of moving forward in the market. अभी तक दोस्तों we have studied patterns which are formed after several months or weeks. In basic nutshell, after several candlesticks. These patterns happen on all time frames. The longer the time frame, the more significant and the more reliable the pattern becomes. Let's have a look at the patterns which are formed on a single candlestick basis. दोस्तों यहाँ पे मैंने Nifty IT का चार्ट लगाया है, and the thing that really strikes out is this particular candle with a long wick on the downside. आपको दिखेगा कि एक high of approximately 46,000 बनाने के बाद Nifty IT continuously kept correcting and made a low of approximately 30,000. That is nearly a 28 to 30% correction on the index, which means it would have been a real tough time for the index a few months ago. And the reason for this was the tariffs that were apparently getting imposed on India. However, when it created that low of 30,300, it immediately closed the month at approximately 35,700, and in the process, it formed what is known as a hammer candlestick. I will not get into the details of how do we define a hammer candlestick or a morning star or an evening star or an abandoned baby, doji, etc. But let's just assume that this is indeed a theoretical hammer because the body is significantly smaller than the wick. It has happened after a steep correction. This hammer is an indicative of the potential bottom of the particular stock. A hammer candlestick, unlike other patterns, is a single candlestick pattern. यानी कि hammer candlestick को कोई confirmation की जरूरत नहीं है. Whereas a bullish engulfing, bullish harami, bearish engulfing, and so on and so forth, they all need confirmations. And usually they need more than one candle to pop. Hammer candles are one of the strongest. However, what does the hammer indicate? The hammer indicates that the downward move will come to an halt. It does not indicate that a new high will be created. In other words, एक सिक्योरिटी जब पुल बैक करते करते काफी नीचे आ जाए और वहां हैमर बन जाए, then in that case it looks like accumulation is happening, not active buying. Further, if you look at this particular chart closely, we will note that Nifty IT was forming exactly what perhaps Nifty is forming today. Let's take a look at Nifty IT from the period of February-May 24. We see a beautiful saucer pattern. Subsequently, we see a handle. ये हमारा handle हो गया यहाँ पे. In this case, we are seeing that this particular saucer has a huge target, 37,000 on the upside, 27,000 on the downside. It has a 10,000 point target, which means from the breakout, we should expect a move of around 45,000 to 50,000 levels. And the move that follows subsequently actually just touches a high of 45,000. A very difficult trade. Subsequently, it corrects further. This is the low of the handle, जहाँ पे आके hammer बना है. The fact that the hammer is created at the low of a handle makes this hammer even more significant. This is perhaps a case where the pattern just hit the target, but this is a case जहाँ पे pattern ने target तो hit किया, but ये इतना successful नहीं रहा. यानी कि we would have liked for a sustained up move. Target hit करने के बाद या barely touch करने के बाद it quickly moved on to hitting the stop loss. Such is the nature of pattern trading. You come into profits very close to a target, and sometimes you could just miss, and then it reverses all the way back to come back and hit your stop loss. But regardless, once we decide we are going to enter on a breakout, once we decide we're going to trade a pattern, we are going to trade a pattern with the due diligence, noting down each levels, that is the point from where the stop loss is, of point from where the saucer is formed, 37,000, the low of it, 27,000, target of it, 47,000. We see that it creates a high of 46,400. Unfortunately, it might have hit the target, might not have hit the target. Regardless, it came back, formed a hammer pattern, जहाँ पे शायद ऐसे लग चुका होगा. But after forming the hammer pattern, it has once again given a cue to go ahead and accumulate. So much information from just one candlestick and from just reviewing what has happened in the chart in the past. Subjective trading can get very overwhelming, particularly अगर हम इसे 100 plus securities पे simultaneously करना start कर दें. और इसका complexity और ज़्यादा increase हो जाता है अगर हम इसे multiple time frames के साथ integrate करना start करें. Therefore, to keep our trading process relatively immune from subjectivity, I have put price action trading in the last element of my trading. And consequently, price action को मैंने perhaps बहुत ही कम weightage दिया है अपने overall system में. जिस सिस्टम के बारे में आई हैव एक्चुअली टॉट एक्सटेंसिवली ड्यूरिंग माय मेंटरशिप एट अपसर्ज. दोस्तों, आई वुड लाइक टू कंफर्म दैट देयर आर इंडिविजुअल्स हु गिव द मैक्सिमम वेटेज टू प्राइस एक्शन, एंड मेरा ऐसा मानना है वो जो कर रहे हैं वो भी सही है. देयर आर इंडिविजुअल्स हु गिव मैक्सिमम वेटेज टू मोमेंटम, व्हिच इज आल्सो एक्सेप्टेबल. वी are trying to give maximum weightage to trend. I'm sure that is reasonable as well. But the biggest blunder will be to not give any weightage to any of it. To simply go ahead and behave and act on impulse. To not put a stop loss. To have no idea what quantity you're going to trade. To have no idea what are the critical levels at the market that you're trading. This is a big blunder. It is okay if we plan our trades and lose, because essentially we are going to learn a lot more. What is unacceptable is to behave randomly in the market, because not only would we have not earned significantly because we're not confident, so we could not have held the trade, but we also did not learn anything, and that is just pure waste of time. I hope in the process of learning this video has contributed in some way. Once again, I thank you so much for your support to the channel and for your time and attention. I'll see you soon.